Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Today, we'll be discussing about few weapons that is going to be integrated with LCA Tejas fighter jets, making them better than even Pakistani JF-17 Thunder. In an aerial combat, the two weapons that are most important for fighter jets are BVR AAM and ASR AAM. Now Tejas will have both the missiles, best in class, which is going to make it a deadlier fighter. These two missiles are going to be Astra Mk1 BVR missile and ASR AAM by MBDA. The Beyond Visual Range BVR is an air-launched missile that is capable of engaging aerial targets at a range of 37 kilometers or beyond, for which Astra will be used. Below this range, a short range or a visual range air-to-air missile ASR AAM by MBDA will be used. As we all know that Astra missile is an indigenously developed all-weather beyond visual range active radar homing air-to-air missile developed by DRDO. It has a range varying from 80 kilometers to 100 kilometers. This range has been achieved using dual pulse rocket motors or booster rocket motor and a ramjet sustainer motor. As stated before, Astra is an ARH, that is active radar homing missile. It is a missile guidance method in which the missile contains a radar transceiver and the electronics necessary for tracking the targets autonomously. Astra is designed to be capable of engaging targets at varying range and altitudes, allowing for the engagement of both short-range targets as well as long-range targets. HAL has confirmed in past that the work of integration of Astra Mk1 with Tejas Mk1 with a limited series production is being presently carried out. Sources have also confirmed that captive flight trials of missile might happen in next few weeks that can include 4 to 5 rounds of testing. Captive or aeromechanical integrated test allows a verification of aspects such as mechanical, structural and electrical compatibility between the missiles and the aircraft, and whether vibrations, strain, stress, etc. are within the design limits. Only after the missile is proven in captive flight trials, it can be fired from an aircraft. Talking about MBDA's ASR AAM missile, HAL is planning to start computer-generated data for integration of advanced short-range air-to-air missile ASR AAM from the European missile maker MBDA that has been approved for fitting on LCA Tejas after talks were held between HAL and MBDA. ASR AAM air-to-air missile will be supplementing Russian R-73 for close air-to-air combat for the entire LCA Tejas fleet, starting with LCA Tejas Mk1 fleet that goes into production in 2023. ASR AAM is one of the best short-range air-to-air missile present in the world. All the 54 trainers in Tejas Mk1 configuration will get Astra Mk1 BVR that are equipped with ELTA LRDE 2032 MMR fire control radar. By 2023, Tejas will be integrated with ELTA 2052 AESA fire control radar. The AESA FCR is planned for the first lot of 20 units of Tejas Mk1 fighter jet. Talking about indigenous Uttam AESA FCR that will be equipped on the remaining 53 Tejas Mk1 fighter jets, that will also get a host of Indian-made weapons that includes Astra Mk1 and Astra Mk2 BVR when it enters the production in 2025. Earlier this year, HAL has secured a deal of 73 upgraded Tejas Mk1A single-seater jets along with 10 Tejas Mk1 trainer jets. Collaboration of Astra Mk1 and MSR AAM on Tejas Mk1 plays an important role to boost the combat performance of Tejas Mk1 fleet that are presently equipped only with Derby, BVRs and R-73. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.